Dati, simple lang to. Parang basic na still wine rack lang. Pero ngayon, ang laki na ng difference. Check nyo to.
Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got a lot of the same.
Before, okay naman siya gamitin. Pero limited lang yung space. Tapos parang kulang sa design. So parang hindi niya na ma-maximize yung area. Grade ko siya into a full shelves. From simple na lagayan, ginawa ko na rin siyang display. Para hindi lang functional, may aesthetic na din.
Unless this time we're holding on. The truth is,
Nilagyan ko ng mirror sa likod para mas lumalim yung look. Tsaka mas premium yung dating. Then nag-add ako ng ambient LED lights sa sides para sa liwanag. Yung ang ganda niya lalo pag gabi. Clean and elegant. Simple lang yung materials. Pero dahil sa lighting at mirror, nagmukhang high-end. Minsan talaga, nasa design lang. Ngayon, hindi lang siya for wine. Pwede nang lagyan ng different bottles sa taas. Then sa gitna, for decor. Tapos sa baba, ginawa ko siyang coffee area. Mas organized na, hindi na mukhang cluttered.
I'll be
Kung may ganito kayong space sa bahay, try nyo i-upgrade kahit simple lang. Promise, malaking difference. Follow nyo lang ako for more cabinet builds and ideas. Next project na tayo ulit.
something can hurt you so bad, but you fall right back. Happens just like that, and I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my